S22 Ultra. Will the best camera smartphone photography gets better each year, mostly thanks to software, but Samsung isn't sitting still on the hardware front, having just announced its new ISOCELL JN1 sensor, rocking 50 megapixels total. The real highlight of this sensor is the incredibly small size of those pixels, coming in at just 0.64 micrometers. The ISOCELL JN1 has the smallest pixels on a smartphone. This means that Samsung can pack in that really high megapixel count into a smaller body, lowering the physical footprint required for the camera hardware. Not counting the lens and all that, the JN1 is smaller than the previous 43.7 MP ISOCELL Slim GH1, which had 0.7 micrometer pixels. Packing in more tiny pixels into the JN1 allowed Samsung to produce a small sensor with applications in many types of mobile camera setups. You might see it someday used in front-facing cameras, ultra-wide, telephotos, or the typical primary wide-angle shooters. Samsung also claims that this new sensor will reduce camera hump size by 10%. Of course, a major limitation with smaller pixels is that they let in less light, which causes a problem for low-light photography. Samsung has an answer to this. The ISOCELL JN1 combines the light gathered from 4 pixels into 1, reducing the final image's resolution to 12.5 MP, but theoretically allowing for better lit photos at night or indoors. Samsung also slapped on it phase detection autofocus, which has twice the phase detect pixel density. That means that the autofocus can do its job much better in low light when subjects are more difficult to focus on and capture. According to Samsung, the ISOCELL JN1 has entered mass production, which means we could see it in phones really soon. Our guess is that the JN1 will spearhead Samsung's Galaxy S22 photography efforts. But we might see the new camera sensor pop up in other phones before the S22's arrival. Also on the camera front, Samsung is reportedly testing the ability to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second for the Galaxy S22. This would be an improvement over the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which maxes out at 24 frames per second for 8K video. Granted, there are very few people who own 8K TVs, as they are prohibitively expensive. But this upgrade would result in a more future-proof phone. A further camera change could come in the form of a potential Samsung partnership with Olympus. According to several tweets from usually reliable sources, the two firms are set to partner on cameras for forthcoming smartphones, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra tipped to be the first phone to get the new tech. Given that Olympus has recently announced its intention to collaborate with other firms, there's reason to believe this rumor could come true, though there's no official word yet. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S22 could get a major boost in graphics power, thanks to it tipped to get a GPU based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, which happens to underpin the PS5 and Xbox Series X. That's not to say the Galaxy S22 will have the power of the latest games consoles, but it could offer a serious boost in graphics grunt over other phones, such as those on our best gaming phones list. Well, that's all for now, guys. Once I have the latest leaks, I will share with you guys. Please guys, join my program and support my channel. Without being said, are you excited about the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra? Let me know in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.